In 2024, Malayalam cinema showcased a diverse range of films that captivated audiences and critics alike. 2024 was a year of both commendable achievements and reflections on the future direction of Malayalam cinema. It's nearly impossible to select top 10 Malayalam movies this year. Number of Pan-Indian movie critiques top 10 Indian movie list is filled with lot Malayalam movies. Here are the top 10 Malayalam movies from me. Number 10. Level Cross. This psychological thriller delves into the intricate facets of the human psyche, exploring themes of reality versus illusion and complexities of human relationships. Set in a surreal, timeless landscape, the narrative centers around Raghu, Asif Ali, a solitary gatekeeper at a desolate level crossing. His monotonous existence is disrupted when he discovers Chatali, Amala Paul, a mysterious woman who has left from a passing train. As Raghu nurses Chatali back to health, a bond forms, leading to revelations about their pasts and the demons they each harbor. The arrival of Dr. Zincho Sharafuddin further complicates their relationship, blurring the lines between reality and delusion. Level Cross operates on literal and metaphorical planes. The level crossing itself symbolizes a juncture between realities and psychological state. With its atmospheric visuals, performances, and exploration of complex themes, Level Cross contributes to the evolving landscape of Malayalam cinema, signaling a willingness to venture into uncharted narrative territories. Number 9. Manumal Boys is a survival thriller directed by Chidambaram. The film is inspired by the true events of a 2006 rescue mission in Kodaikanal, where a group of friends from Manumal, Kerala, saved one of their own trapped in the Guna caves. The film skillfully balances elements of friendship and suspense, keeping viewer engaged. Cinematographer Shaiju Khalid captures the picturesque landscapes of Kodaikanal and the intense atmosphere of the caves with remarkable finesse. Sushan Shyam's background score further elevates the film, evoking a spectrum of emotions that enhance the viewing experience. Manumal Boys display technical excellence, gripping narration, and emotional depth. The film is heartfelt ode to friendship and a neatly crafted survival thriller. It was popular across India due to its universal theme of friendship and resilience. Overall, Manumal Boys is a well-crafted survival thriller that offers both excitement and emotional depth, making it a noteworthy addition to Malayalam cinema. Number 8. Atom, directed by Anand Ekarshi, is a thought-provoking Malayalam drama that delves deep into the complexities of gender dynamics, power, and morality. The film, set primarily in a single location, revolves around Anjali, a female actor in a male-dominated theatre troupe, who accuses one of her colleagues of sexual harassment after a party. This accusation leads to an intense emergency meeting where the rest of the troupe debates the matter, laying bare their biases, insecurities, and hypocrisies. The strength of Atom lies in its sharp, layered writing and its ability to provoke introspection. The dialogues are natural and raw, forcing the audience to confront uncomfortable truths about victim blaming, patriarchy, and systemic discrimination. Zaran Shihab delivers a powerful performance as Anjali. Atom has been widely acclaimed, winning awards like the Grand Jury Award for Best Film at the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles and the Best Feature Film at the 70th National Film Awards. Number 7. Premalu is a romantic comedy directed by Girish A.D., featuring Naslin and Mamita in lead roles. The film narrates the journey of Sachin, a young Kerala boy who relocates to Hyderabad for a GATE course, where he meets and falls in love with Reenu, an IT professional. T.S. an authentic in portrayal of youth and relationships. Film's humor, derived from everyday interactions, is fresh and never fails to elicit genuine laughter. It has a joyous comedy populated with a bunch of the most lovable losers. Movie captures the contemporary comedies of youth culture. The chemistry between Naslin and Mamita was fabulous contribute to the film's charm. Additionally, the film's supporting cast, including Sangeet Pratap, Akhila Bhargavan, and Matthew Thomas, deliver commendable performances that enhance the narrative. Premalu is a delightful romantic comedy that combines relatable storytelling with strong performances, offering a refreshing cinematic experience that resonates with audiences. Number 6. Palati 90s Kids. Palati 90s Kids is a delightful trip down memory lane, masterfully capturing the essence of growing up in the 1990s. The film resonates deeply with anyone who has ever indulged in the simple joys of childhood in Indian villages before the digital era took over. The storyline revolves around two kids and their school days in a small town setting, celebrating the innocence and mischief of their youthful days. From playing cricket on narrow streets to collecting candy wrappers as treasures, the film beautifully portrays the simplicity and vibrance of a bygone era. The cinematography is nostalgic, drenched in warm hues that echo the golden memories of the 90s. The music is another standout feature, with tracks that evoke both joy and longing. What sets Palette 90s Kids apart is its attention to detail, the dial-up internet tone, the thrill of getting a new comic book, and the innocence of friendships unmarred by social media. It's not just a movie, it's a heartfelt reminder of an era where life was lived offline. For anyone who grew up in the 90s, this movie is a treasure trove of nostalgia. Number 5 Paradise. Paradise, directed by Sri Lanka filmmaker Prasanna Vithanaj, delves into the complexities of interpersonal relationships set against the backdrop of Sri Lanka's economic crisis. The film features compelling performances by Roshan Mathew and Darshana Rajendran as Keshav and Amrita, a Malayali couple on their 5th wedding anniversary trip to Sri Lanka. The narrative intertwines personal and political themes, drawing parallels with the Ramayana. Amrita and Keshav's journey through the Ramayana trail serves as a metaphor for their relationship dynamics. Keshav's chauvinistic character strains and selfish mind denounces what could have been a warm vacation for them. The film has minimalist storytelling and the director is able to convey profound messages through subtle character interactions. Rajiv Ravi's cinematography captures the essence of Sri Lanka's landscape, enhancing the film's immersive quality. The music by K complements the narrative, adding an emotional undertone without overshadowing the story. Paradise is a thought-provoking film that seamlessly weaves personal relationships with broader socio-political themes. Number 4 Avesham. Avesham is an action comedy directed by Jeetu Madhavan, featuring Fahad Fasil in the lead role. The film follows 3 Bengaluru college students who befriend a local gangster to seek revenge on their college bully. Story then evolves into personal life of gangster Ranga and how 3 college kids tangled in Ranga's life. India's current best male actor Fasil's dynamic performance, his exceptional portrayal of the quirky Don, Ranga and Sajin Gopul's comedic timing as Ranga's henchman are standout elements. The film's technical aspects, including Samir Tahir's cinematography and Sushant Shyam's energetic soundtrack, contribute significantly to its vibrant and engaging narrative. Avesham offers a thoroughly entertaining experience, blending action comedy and sarcasm effectively. Overflowed with extremely emotion rollercoaster scenes and situations, it attracts all age groups. Avesham is a captivating blend of Fahad Fasil's stellar performance, a uniquely crafted script, and exceptional direction. Number 3 Adu Jeevitham. The Goat Life. Adu Jeevitham is a survival drama directed by Blessy, adapted from Benyamin's novel. The film chronicles Najib's harrowing journey as a migrant worker in Saudi Arabia, where he endures enslavement and isolation in the desert. Prithviraj Sukumaran delivers a career-defining performance as Najib, capturing the character's resilience and despair. Cinematographer Sunil K.S. effectively captures the desolate desert landscapes, enhancing the narrative's immersive quality. A.R. Rahman's evocative score complements the film's emotional depth. Blessy navigates the complexities of Najib's journey, weaving together themes of inhuman working conditions, despair, hope, and ultimately, redemption. His attention to detail is evident in every frame, from the stunning desert landscapes to the authentic portrayal of life in a desert. Number 2 Ullu Jukku. Ullu Jukku is a profound exploration of human emotions, personal struggles, and the inescapable pull of fate. Directed with finesse by Christo Tomi, this cinematic masterpiece brings together the unparalleled talents of Urvashi and Parvati. Set against the backdrop of a rain-soaked Kerala, the film uses its vivid visuals to mirror the emotional turbulence of its characters. Water, in its forms, overflowing rivers, relentless downpours, and silent puddles, becomes a powerful metaphor. Story unfolds as an emotional tug-of-war between Anju and Leelima. Their journey of conflict and reconciliation culminates in a climax that offers both characters a unique form of triumph. Ullujuku masterfully delves into themes of belonging and family dynamics, presenting emotional complexity with authenticity and grace. It's a film where every frame, every line of dialogue, and every drop of rain adds to the narrative, leaving a lasting impression. And finally, the number one movie of the year, Kish Kishkindha Kandam, is mystery drama directed by Dinjit Ayathan and written by Bahul Ramesh. Set near a forest, the narrative follows Agyan, a forest officer grappling with the disappearance of his son and the death of his first wife. As he brings his second wife, Aparna, into his home, she becomes entangled in the family's secrets, especially concerning a missing revolver, disappearance of a child and the mysterious behavior of Agyan's father. The film intricately weaves themes of family dynamics, guilt, and the quest for truth. Story, skillfully written, revealing crucial moments only when they are essential to driving the plot forward, and we finally get to see the lead male character, Ajay's point of view in the end. The first half of the movie sets background for the formation of the storyline, and the movie elevates to next level towards the interval with surprises, endless doubts and answers in the minds of the audience. Recurrent shocks and goosebumps throughout the later half, leaving the viewer clueless, shows the brilliance of the script. The climax sequence stands as a true embodiment of emotional breakdown.